Hey everybody, it's me Henry. Today we're going to continue to talk about the 3 steps to achieve what you want. Let's get started. Now, sometimes we may ask, why do some people always get what they want? Is it because of good luck or a hand from the God? Now, people may say all this is because of dreams come true, although many people don't really know what is the logic behind or the real meaning. But still, people believe in this. Dreams come true has become a phenomenal level event in the fields of spiritual growth and self-help. The core content is also known as the law of attraction. Both in the film and the reality, many people say that they have indeed benefited from the law of attraction and their lives have changed much better. Now let's talk about the book, The Secret about the Law of Attraction. This book was published in November 2006 by the author Rhonda Byrne, and this book has 198 pages. The core content of The Secret is also called the Law of Attraction. In a nutshell, it means that in the law of nature, each person as an energy body that exchanges and senses with the surrounding environment, including the universe at all times. Once we learn how to use the attraction created by our positive thinking, we will get unconditional rewards materially and spiritually, and we will achieve what we want. Now try to think about it. There was a boy named Armstrong and who was thinking about flying to the moon. Guess what? It happened. And there was a person thinking about building a giant metal bird flying in the air, and now we call it as airplane. So everything is started from the dream, and in the end, dream become true. They achieve what they want. But wait a minute, is thinking enough to make things happen? No, not really. So what we need to do is to change the idea to actions, and we can achieve it eventually. And now, what is the law of attraction? The law of attraction states that people can get positive or negative results through positive or negative thoughts. This belief is based on the idea of people, and their ideas are formed from pure energy. This belief is like a force attracting the corresponding force. In short, is to transform your desire into the state you already have it in your thoughts and attitudes. For example, you want to own a latest sport car on the market. Don't worry about how expensive it is, and don't guess how unrealistic your ideas are. You just need to turn the thought of I want into I already have it, and then enjoy the happiness that this thought brings you. While you have placed an order with the universe, then there will be some kind of opportunity in your life to make it a reality, and you only need to follow the flow. The realization of the law of attraction is divided into 3 steps: request, believe, and receive. Request. List the things you want to have in detail, short, intuitive, and clear. You only need to list the things you want and try to avoid negative sentences such as I don't want. I don't want to have this and that. I don't want to be poor. Well, keep in mind that our subconscious and the universe, they don't understand, they don't. If you say I don't want to be poor, the subconscious and the universe, they just pick up the word poor. And now we can understand that why people, they can't succeed, because they placed the wrong order. Step 2. Believe. You have listed your dreams, and all you need to do next is to believe that it has already happened and has brought a huge change in your life. Don't doubt it, don't guess it, and don't worry about how it will be realized. This is the key why, again, most people, they hard to achieve the success. This is because they don't really believe. One of the great examples, Mr. Jeff Bezos, the father of Amazon. Now you can see the first office. He already believed this company, this brand is going to be one of the top, one of the giant in the world, one of the listed company in the Fortune 500. Guess what? It happened. And the third step, receive. In your subconscious, you believe that it has been realized. It has become a real thing. And it is indeed bringing a huge change in your life. And you just need to feel it and enjoy the great benefits it has already appeared in your life and brought to your life. So all you need to do is to receive it. Now try to think about it. Why most successful people, they have the dream board? It's because whenever they see the dream board, they already feel it, they have it, it is already happened in their life. So in the end, again, it happens. In summary, to achieve what you want, first, make a vow. Make a positive vow to the requirements you listed and keep telling yourself about the goal. Second, visualization. Visualize your goal and make it as real as positive. This is just like you are imagine that you are standing on the edge of a cliff and you may feel scared or anxious and even sweaty. This is visualization. Visualization is the most effective way to strongly fasten the process. And up next, attitude. Change your life. Sometimes you only need to change your own life attitude. Learn to be grateful, and the frequency of happiness will attract good things towards you. And final step, action. The law of attraction is not a desire ATM machine. In order to realize your dream, you must act accordingly. Through a series of enhancements such as aspiration and visualization, the universe will attract things, people, or resources that help you to achieve your goals in your life. You must use them wisely and work hard to achieve your dreams. If we can practice the steps mentioned above, I strongly believe we can get what we want. We can achieve what we want. And that's the sharing for today. If you find values and like this video, please consider to hit the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications so that you're not gonna miss out any videos just like this from this channel. And most importantly, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. I love to read your comment and reply to your comment. And I hope to see you in the next video.